I used to play a lot of games with my friends, but many times they're not able to join me, and I face difficulty in finding the people. And if I find someone, then either he or she is having high level of toxicity, or we don't have match of a skill level. And many times they are not interested in the game in which I am playing. So there arose the idea of gaming app, which solve all these kinds of problems and make your life more enjoyable.
Let's talk about the problem faced by user before presenting our. In this, I am discuss the three main problems faced by the user. The first one is that in gaming it is difficult to identify the player which is fake, or we can say that it is difficult to report such person. The second one is trolling. Trolling is one of the major issue in the gaming. As we see in 2019 and 20, gaming industry given a certain, so the number of cases of trolling are increasing because there are no such mechanism to find these peoples. And the third one is matching according to preference of people. Matching according to preference of people is very difficult in gaming. So this led to decrease in the enthusiast level of gamer.
So we have three main aims. The first one being to create convenient and time efficient platforms which help people to find their gaming buddies. Now the second main aim is to power your preferences. This through our search engines which are based for gamers. This is not available in many other apps which we have looked at. We also aim to find you buddies who have similar skill and taste so that you can have a great gaming experience. Last but not the least comes safety, and we want to ensure this by increasing the chances of your friendly matches. This through a strong system of friendliness rating indices. So through all this we aim to give you an opportunity to both connect and game. This is very important in our times too.
As you can see from what my teammates previously said, what our app does is it provides a solution to all these problems, a system which is not existent in games. Reporting toxic people or people who are abusive in chat. To say it simply, we make accounts and every account has a rating system. When you see the rating system, 1 is the average for it. But as soon as you get reports, a buffer of those, your rating goes below or above, depending on what your teammates say and how much they rate you. Also, you can go over to your friends or others' profiles to easily see their rating and report them by any chance if you find them to be toxic at a later stage. This is really helpful because people do not make assumptions really quickly. So this helps them change their mind and gives them an option later on in the future. To prevent spamming and other stuff, we ensure that everyone who is reporting has an account and has been using the application for a while now. To prevent someone from spamming the reports, we make sure that they cannot report as the same person for a specific time once they have reported it. You can also see individual game ratings, so you can play with them if they are a nice person on maybe X game, but avoid them if they are not a nice person on Y game.